Sí, sí, para la mujer.
What's up, everybody? Drone worship in your face, and today we are gonna head to Ron's house. And I believe it's his daughter Emma's birthday. They got this big bounce house, and he's like, bring the drones, and I'm getting a bunch of pizza, and let's do all these things. And I'm like, all right, we'll do it. So I gathered up the drones, I grabbed the GoPro Hero 7, and we head on our way out to Apollo Beach. So I've got a 45-minute drive ahead of me. As you can see, Orlando would be east I-4 and west there would be Tampa, but we're heading towards Apollo Beach. So that's it. We're gonna drive, and then we're gonna get there, and then we're gonna see if this camera's actually waterproof. Yeah, that whole thing. That is a massive bounce house. Absolutely ridiculous, Ron. The thing is larger than your house. You have got to be shitting me. How is this even possible? How did you get a bounce house this big? I'm very curious now. Look, look. Look who's chilling over here. Mr. Ron. This literally has to be the largest bounce house in the history of bounce houses. I don't even know how you get something this big. What in tarnations? Oh, he already wet it down. Damn, I'm not sure I want to fly 3-inch through here. Already wet. Oh, that would have been a fun course to try to traverse too. Crazy. Oh, that would have been extremely hard to make it through right there. I would have had to shoot up and over this little part right here. You would have never got through those pylons. It's popping.
Shit, my legs.
How was it?
I need a fat person.
All right, who's racing who? Let's go.
You're gonna be faster. Ready? I'm out of breath.
Ciao, ciao.
Did y'all jump off and get down?
Pack it up, pack it in, let me begin. I came to win, battle me, that's get ya. Spitting out lyrics, homie, I with ya. I came to get down, I came to get down. So get out your seat and jump around, jump around, jump around, jump around, jump up and get down. Jump, 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 everybody jump, 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 everybody jump, 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 everybody jump, 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 everybody jump, 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 yeah. This is dedicated to jump, the fight, get cola, grab your bows out.
Dab. Give me a dab. Ah, a dab. Ah, another one. Oh, okay. Wait, you know.
Oh, buddy, that was a long day out there, man. But this was a good time, man. Emma had a good birthday. I'm happy we had such a good time. Started to finally rain us out a little bit here, but it was a good time. So, happy birthday, Emma. You'll be watching this video later, guaranteed. And I was actually trying out the slow motion shooting on this GoPro Hero 7 for the first time. I think we're shooting in 240 frames per second at 1080p. This should look pretty good. No stabilization offered, unfortunately, when you're shooting in that kind of frame rate, but should still look pretty good. Depends on how well you can hold your hand steady. So I guess we'll have to go back and look at that footage and see what happened. Alright guys, titty bill.
Go home, folks.